kept secrets travel.
Where maybe food is your major motivation for going places, which I guess it could. I mean, we've been to Peru and we had ceviche, which was lovely. But where is the motivation? Then maybe go out and try that and go to a restaurant. But other than that, try and save money and actually spend it on the activities and the fun stuff. And the ways to do that, as you said, is go to the supermarket. And when we were in Australia, we were driving around in our camper van, and we would always go to the supermarket, buy a load of food, and then essentially have a barbecue.
Oh, we bought the worst sausages. Morgan was just being so strict on our budget. Went to the back, and instead of buying, for anyone who knows, like supermarkets in the UK, you buy normally like 6-pack of sausages or whatever. Morgan was buying these massive plastic bags of like 30 or 40 sausages, and it had a 1.5 star health rating on it. And then he'd go and pick up.
At least it had a rating.
Had about a 30-pack or whatever tray of eggs, and they would just crack a load of eggs. Oh, we bought that really cheap cooking bacon as well, which was just in a massive blocks.
And the soy sauce to have flavour.
Yeah, so
that was essentially it.
This was our first big holiday together away, and it was definitely one of our unhealthiest. Just because we hadn't really learned.
No, which is where we are trying to teach all of you guys. This is
us using our experience to try and pass it down. As there are certain places and times when you're going to have fun and take sacrifices, and I'm only on holiday for a matter of weeks or a short time. If I was doing a 6-month trip, I'd probably be a lot more cautious about what I was putting in my body, because I know that's going to have a larger overall effect.
Well, I always tend to lose weight when I'm travelling alone, and then as soon as I'm travelling with you, I start putting on fat.
It's because
the beer.
We enjoy the beer, Morgan.
It's the
beer.